things you can't see are secretly changing the world, keeping thousands of families comfortable as it quietly rotates. And with intelligence that keeps every meal fresh and healthy to eat. Making all 4 seasons equally enjoyable. And make countless winters warm. Being reliable, they deliver comfort at any moment. GMCC's optimizing energy efficiency minute by minute for a greener planet. GMCC's eco-friendly applications allow people everywhere to share a blue sky. GMCC expands the industry's horizons with constant technological innovation. GMCC is everywhere with billions of families, powering countless air conditioners, refrigerators, heaters, dehumidifiers, cars, base stations and more, each bearing this far-reaching implication. GMCC Compressors' invincible cores are changing the world. GMCC, create future with core.